It's time to ask Rebecca about your legal concerns. Write an email or post in the comments below. Ask Rebecca, 'cause she'll know. Whoa!
Dear Rebecca, my ex has court-ordered visitation with our kids, but he's all over the place with it. He'll blame work, car trouble,
I had a flat tire.
or say he forgot. Meanwhile, the kids are sitting by the window waiting for him.
What time was Dad supposed to be here?
I'm the one who has to calm them down, explain why he didn't come, and deal with the tears and disappointment.
No, it's okay.
I feel like I'm the one doing all the parenting, while he gets to come and go whenever it suits him.
Hey, what's going on?
At this point, I honestly think it might be better for the kids if I just cancel his visitation until he can be consistent. Am I allowed to do that, or would I get in trouble for it? Thanks for your time, Frida.
Hi, Frida. Thank you for your letter. I understand your frustration, but unfortunately you cannot terminate or limit any parent's court-ordered visitation rights. You could bring the matter back to court and bring to the judge's attention that the father has not been exercising his visitation rights as he should.
All rise.
But I find it unlikely that a court will modify a father's visitations just because of that.
I am thinking no.
Usually, the father in the interim will temporarily correct his behavior as to show what a good parent he is.
I am a good father.
So by the time you get before the judge, the matter has been quote-unquote corrected. But there are some things you can do to help the situation, as a couple of things are likely going on here. The father, depending on who he is likely struggling with the fact that he is no longer a daily presence in his children's lives.
What do you want for dinner, hon?
Because of that, guilt sets in, and sometimes comes avoidance. I know it may seem illogical, but that can happen when parents feel guilty. They don't want to see the sad faces of those they disappoint. I encourage you to speak with your ex and try to put the past behind you and all of his or her flaws. If you can, ask the father what is going on with him, that he is late, and remind him that the children want to spend time with him because they love him. Although it is always tempting to yell at someone for screwing up, it rarely motivates them to want to come around more. But the children, they are going to be struggling too, and they need an explanation as to what is going on. It is never okay to bash a parent in front of a child, but there needs to be open communication about absences, frustrations, and changes that may be occurring in their lives. If a parent or father may be struggling, it's okay to tell your children that both you and the father are struggling on how to get things right, and that the situation is tricky. Help your children to identify their feelings and to express them. And when they do, validate that. For example, if they say, "I'm so sad Dad didn't show up today," you can say, "I hear you. It is a sad thing to get your hopes up and then have someone not come. Is there something that I can do to help the situation?" Always seek professional help for you and your children if the matter gets hostile, aggressive, or beyond your control. But circling back, never deny a father his visitation rights. It could be a violation of a court order, contempt of court, and that could cost you your custodial rights. And you never want to be at the receiving end of a contempt order. Thanks for your letter, Frida. Sincerely, Rebecca.
Thanks for asking Rebecca. She knows a lot of stuff. Licensed in 4 states, she's seen enough. Be sure to consult an attorney in your own state. Rebecca is not responsible for any of your mistakes. This advice is general and it's free, but that doesn't mean that Rebecca will take responsibility.